Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we dive into the world of maritime marvels, from sleek yachts to rugged workhorses of the sea.
I'm your host, Sir Boats, and today we're exploring a vessel that's not about luxury or leisure but about saving lives in the toughest conditions imaginable. We're talking about the Severn-Class Lifeboat, the largest and most robust all-weather lifeboat in the Royal National Lifeboat Institution's fleet. This beast has been a cornerstone of maritime rescue since 1996, and it's got a story worth telling.
Whether you're a boating enthusiast, a tech geek, or just curious about what makes this lifeboat a life-saving legend, stick around as we break down its key features, design, interior, performance, and unique selling points. Let's get out on the water and see what makes the Severn-Class so special. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a deep dive like this one. Alright, let's launch into it.
The Severn-Class Lifeboat is the RNLI's heavyweight champion, designed to tackle the most ferocious seas and bring people home safely. At 17.3 meters long and weighing around 42 tons, this is no lightweight dinghy. It's a floating fortress built for all-weather rescue missions. Introduced in 1996 and named after the UK's longest river, the Severn was developed to extend the RNLI's reach, providing coverage up to 50 miles offshore, a big leap from the 30-mile range of its predecessors like the Arun and Waveney classes. With 44 boats currently in the fleet, including 9 in reserve, the Severn is stationed at 35 locations around the UK and Ireland, from the wild Atlantic coasts to the chilly North Sea. What makes it stand out? It's not just its size but its ability to handle long-distance callouts in conditions that would send most vessels running for cover. This lifeboat is all about endurance, reliability, and getting the job done when lives are on the line. Let's start with the key features that define the Severn-Class. First up, it's an all-weather lifeboat, meaning it's built to operate in storms, gales, and monstrous waves that would make even seasoned sailors think twice. With a top speed of 25 knots, that's about 29 miles per hour. It can reach casualties fast, whether the sea is calm or churning like a washing machine.
Its range of 250 nautical miles lets it cover vast distances without needing to refuel, making it ideal for offshore searches and rescues.
The Severn is inherently self-righting, a critical feature that means if a massive wave flips it over, it pops back upright within seconds, keeping the crew safe and the mission on track.
It also carries a smaller inflatable Y-boat, powered by a 15-horsepower outboard engine, which can be launched via a crane for rescues in shallow waters or near rocky shores where the main vessel can't go. Add to that comprehensive medical equipment, including oxygen, resuscitation kits, and stretchers, and you've got a floating hospital ready to provide immediate care. These features make the Severn a versatile, do-it-all rescue machine.
Now, let's talk design, because the Severn's engineering is a masterclass in balancing strength, stability, and functionality.
The hull is made of fiber-reinforced composite, or FRC, a material that's lighter and tougher than traditional wood or steel. Below the chine, the angled edge where the hull meets the water, it's a single-skin construction for durability, while above the chine, it's a 100 mm thick foam cord sandwich for added strength without extra weight. This
hybrid design keeps the boat buoyant and resilient, even in punishing conditions. The deck and superstructure are also foam cord, with a 25 mm sandwich construction that provides rigidity while keeping the weight down. One of the Severn's standout design elements is its hard chine hull, a sharp angled shape that improves stability and makes it easier to recover casualties from the water.
The low shear line, the curve of the deck, further simplifies pulling people aboard, which is critical in high-stakes rescues. The hull also features partial tunnels for the propellers and rudders, plus bilge keels, which protect the propulsion system if the boat runs aground in shallow waters. It's a design that screams practicality, built from the ground up to save lives. The Severn's self-righting capability deserves a closer look, as it's one of its most impressive design feats.
In extreme conditions, where waves can reach 10 meters or more, a capsize is a real risk. The Severn's clever engineering ensures that if it gets knocked over, its low center of gravity and buoyant superstructure bring it back upright in just a few seconds. This is no small thing. Imagine being in a storm with 70-mile-per-hour winds, and your boat flips.
The fact that the Severn can recover itself without missing a beat is a testament to the RNLI's in-house design team, who spent years testing hull forms to minimize slamming in heavy seas. The boat's ability to stay afloat even with 2 of its 5 compartments flooded adds another layer of safety, ensuring it can keep going even if it takes a beating. It's this kind of overbuilt resilience that makes the Severn a trusted tool for RNLI volunteers. Moving to the interior, the Severn-class is like a high-tech command center crossed with a survival pod.
The wheelhouse is the heart of the operation, designed to keep the crew of 7 safe, comfortable, and in control during long missions.
The cabin roof can be removed in model kits to reveal a detailed interior, but in real life, it's a sealed, weatherproof space packed with cutting-edge tech.
The Systems and Information Management System, or SIMS, is a standout feature, especially in boats that have undergone the Severn Life Extension program.
SIMS is an electronic bridge system that lets the crew monitor and control the boat's functions, like navigation, engines, and communications, right from their seats. Think of it like the dashboard of a spaceship, but for a lifeboat. The wheelhouse also features shock-mitigating seats, which absorb the impact of crashing through waves, reducing fatigue and injury for the crew. These seats are a game changer, especially on missions that can last 12 hours or more in rough seas. The interior isn't just about tech, it's also about practicality. There's a dedicated survivor space with seating for up to 124 casualties, though in practice, it's rarely filled to capacity. This area is designed to keep rescued people safe and stable, with access to medical equipment like oxygen, Entonox for pain relief, and a large responder bag for first aid. The
Severn also has closed-circuit television to monitor the engine room and afterdeck, so the crew can keep an eye on critical systems without leaving the wheelhouse.
Navigation is handled by a suite of high-tech gear, including radar, GPS, electronic charts, and VHF direction finders, all integrated for pinpoint accuracy. There's even an autopilot for long transits, though in a rescue, the coxswain's hands are firmly on the wheel. The interior is functional but not fancy. Every inch is optimized for the mission, from the handrails to the footrests, ensuring the crew can move safely even when the boat is pitching violently. Let's shift gears to performance, because the Severn-class is a beast when it comes to getting the job done. Power comes from twin turbocharged diesel engines, and there are 2 variants depending on the boat's build. The Mark I Severns, built before 2004, use a pair of Caterpillar 3412 Ta V12 engines, each producing 1,250 horsepower. The Mark II boats, which make up the majority of the fleet, are fitted with MTU 10V2000M94 V10 engines, delivering a beefy 1,600 horsepower each. These engines drive the boat through ZF190V drive gearboxes, shafts, and propellers, giving it that impressive 25-knot top speed. At full throttle, the Severn burns through 480 liters of fuel per hour, but its 250 nautical mile range means it can stay out for long missions without worrying about running dry. A hydraulic bow thruster adds extra maneuverability, letting the coxswain nudge the boat precisely alongside a stricken vessel or a person in the water. The Severn's performance isn't just about raw power, it's about how it handles in the real world. In 1996, just 3 weeks after the first Severn, the Albert Brown, was stationed at Harwich, it was called to a merchant ship 50 miles offshore that had lost power in a force 9 gale. The crew battled huge seas for over 11 hours, standing by the vessel until it was safe. That kind of endurance is what the Severn was built for. Its semi-displacement hull strikes a balance between speed and stability, allowing it to maintain high speeds even in adverse conditions. The boat's agility is surprising for its size, thanks to the bow thruster and the hull's design, which lets it dance around obstacles or position itself perfectly for a rescue. Whether it's towing a 10,000-ton freighter or weaving through rocky shallows to launch the Y boat, the Severn delivers performance you can count on. Now, let's get to the unique selling points, the things that make the Severn-class stand out in a world of rescue vessels. First, there's its sheer versatility. This lifeboat can do it all: long-range offshore missions, shallow water rescues, medical evacuations, and even towing massive ships to safety. The Y boat is a brilliant touch, giving the Severn a lifeboat within a lifeboat that can tackle tricky spots like rocky coves or sandbanks. Another big selling point is its self-righting design, which is rare for a vessel of this size. Most boats this big would stay capsized, but the Severn's ability to flip back upright makes it uniquely suited for the worst storms. The Severn Life Extension Program, or SLEP, is another feather in its cap. Originally set to retire after 25 years, the RNLI found that the hulls were so well built they could last another 25 with upgrades. The SLEP adds modern tech like SIMs, new survivor spaces, and enhanced crew safety features, all for £1.25 million per boat, half the cost of building a new one. The Severn's build quality is another unique aspect. Berthon Boat Company, which built 21 of the 46 Severns, used cutting-edge FRC construction techniques that have kept every single boat in service since 1996. That's a testament to the craftsmanship and the RNLI's rigorous maintenance schedule. The Severn also has a cultural significance that sets it apart. Named after donors or local landmarks, each boat carries a piece of community history, like the Albert Brown or the volunteer spirit. For RNLI volunteers, the Severn is more than a tool, it's a symbol of their commitment to saving lives, often funded by public donations. Finally, its proven track record seals the deal. Since 1996, Severn-Class lifeboats have saved over 1,000 lives, a number that speaks louder than any spec sheet. It's not just a boat, it's a lifeline for coastal communities.
As we wrap up, it's clear the Severn-Class Lifeboat is a marvel of maritime engineering, blending brute strength with smart design to do one thing: save lives. Its key features, like the 25-knot speed, 250-mile range, and Y-boat, make it a versatile rescuer. The design, with its FRC hull and self-righting magic, ensures it can take on the worst the ocean throws at it. The interior, packed with tech and medical gear, keeps the crew and casualties safe, while its performance, powered by those twin diesels, delivers reliability in the clutch. And those unique selling points, from the SLEP upgrades to its cultural weight, make the Severn a legend in its own right. Whether you're a gearhead marveling at the engineering or just someone who respects the RNLI's mission, the Severn-Class is a vessel worth celebrating. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the Severn-Class lifeboat here on Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow boat nerds, and subscribe for more reviews of the coolest vessels on the water. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Severn or what boat you want me to cover next. Until then, keep exploring the seas, and I'll see you in the next video. Fair winds and safe travels.